Hi friends and welcome to Multimeter. Today we're checking out the FNIR C2C23T, an all-in-one oscilloscope, signal generator, and multimeter, perfect for electronics testing. This handheld device can be used as a multimeter, an oscilloscope, or a signal generator, making it super versatile. The oscilloscope has two channels, a 10 MHz bandwidth and a 50 ms per second sampling rate, allowing you to analyze waveforms and even store them for later. The signal generator outputs 7 different waveforms with a frequency range of 1 Hz to 2 MHz, great for circuit testing. And as a multimeter, it offers true RMS measurements, supporting AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and even temperature readings. With a 2.8-inch color display and a 3000 mAh battery for up to 6 hours of use, it's a great tool for any electronics enthusiast. The best part? It's affordable, costing around €74 in Europe. If you love testing and experiments, subscribe to Multimeter for more exciting videos. See you next time.